Welcome to KidzyGarden. Did you know plants can make their own food using sunlight? Let us discover the amazing process of.
Imagine if you could make your own lunch just by standing outside in the sunshine. That is exactly what plants do. Because plants can't walk to the grocery store or cook in a kitchen, they use a special superpower called photosynthesis. It is just a big word that means making things with light. Here is the simple story of how a friendly green leaf cooks up its own food. Gathering the secret ingredients. To start cooking, a plant needs 3 simple things. Sunlight. The leaf acts like a solar panel to catch energy from the bright sun. Water. H2O. The plant drinks water from the dirt through its roots, running it all the way up the stem like a straw. Carbon dioxide, CO2. This is a gas in the air. Leaves have tiny, invisible mouths that breathe this gas in. The green kitchen magic. Inside the leaf, there is a special green helper called chlorophyll. Think of chlorophyll as the chef. When the chef gets the sunlight, water, and air together, it uses the sun's warm energy to mix them all up. What the plant makes. After mixing the ingredients, the leaf factory creates 2 amazing things. Sugar, glucose. This is yummy plant food. The plant eats this sugar to grow tall, make beautiful flowers, and stay healthy. Oxygen, O2. The plant doesn't need this, so it breathes it out into the air. This is a huge help to us because humans and animals need to breathe that exact oxygen to live. Photosynthesis helps plants grow and keeps our earth healthy and green. Fun leaf. Fact: plants are the reason we have clean air to breathe. They clean up the bad air, CO2, and give us fresh, clean air, O2, every single day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel KidzyGarden for more fun learning videos.